囡仔拢行去互医生看，佮较行去病院做检查。即马如果查角仔就推出病院 MRI 检查机器的模型，送去到全球的病院，或者囡仔会当透过算查角仔，提早来了解检查的流程，较袂惊。
病院的资诊造影室内，震撼地看到这种的场景。伫要接受好自强震 MRI 的囡仔，协助放射技师把万甲毯仔铺伫治疗台顶。最常这侪囡仔到检查室，毋是骂骂好，就是死骂坏。
When children go through MRI scans, they meet our equipment. It's very huge. It made loud noises, and the children have to lie still throughout the examination. That can make them a bit nervous, and some have anxiety.
为着囡仔伫接受像 MRI 这种检查时阵，拢爱先麻醉，还是接受镇静药物才会当做。路谷公司为真侪年前开始打造这种小型的资诊造影室，伊甲实体差不多同款。顶原来的刀，佫会发出噪音的设备，还佫有医护人员伫咧控制室监看。伫进行 MRI 扫描前，放射技师会带囡仔算这套模型器材，先甲过程演练一遍。
I think when I saw Solveig playing and engaging with the set, I could see that she was calm and she knew what was going to happen, and that made me at ease as well. I also think it was really good for her to have something familiar from home, the Lego toys. That was really beneficial to see that used in a more serious setting.
为了减少儿童接受麻醉，丹麦西部的奥胡斯大学病院杀出这项专案，都要用乐高甲囡仔耍，先体验医疗行为，嘛会找甲病院配合的场仔来稳定因的情绪。
When we were referred, we were informed about this project revolving reducing anesthesia in children undergoing MRIs.
儿童麻醉的风险一直是医界甲家长讨论的焦点。若是较大汉的囡仔，会当用算的来减少对医疗检查的惊吓，无靠麻醉这个药物，也是一种兼顾安全甲囡仔心理真好的一个方案。公司新闻，洪志伟编译。